Hey everybody, it's Paul 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we're here at the Loyalhanna Limited train here at Idlewild. And it is a Thursday, but it is a full train, and I've heard great things about this. So this POV is going to show you the entire course, and you get on it right by the Confusion Hill over by Howler. So if you're familiar with the park, you go across from Howler, head for Confusion Hill, and that is where this train goes. So we'll get ready to start our journey in a second. Alright, so we got it going again there.
Howdy folks,
a little bit confusion.
Welcome aboard the Loyalhanna Limited. We'll be making our way from the Hoot and Holler Station to the Raccoon Lagoon Station. For your safety, please remain seated with all hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the train at all times. Just as a reminder that parents and guardians are responsible for making sure that children remain seated at all times. Please do not leave your seat until the train has come to a full and complete stop, and attendants tell you it is okay to exit. Also, there will be no eating, drinking, smoking, spitting, or throwing anyone or anything off of this here train. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride.
Alright, so all aboard and here we go. Beautiful view of the, I'm going to go with stream, because it's definitely bigger than a creek.
All clear.
All clear means we're all out of here. Now, familiar with this park, it is very much everything built in-house. So right there is the Confusion House, which is an attraction I love riding every time. And you're right along the banks of the creek right here, so I'll show you over on this side. This is kind of their western area. And this is going to take us to the raccoon area. And then from there we're going to circle back, so we'll do the full circle. We've had a lot of rain recently, so there is a lot of water flowing here. Right there's our paratroopers, and right there is our scooters, bumper cars. And we are now making the turn across the bridge. Right there is a roundup, which is one of the biggest roundups I've ever seen. So here's the bridge we're going across, and we are literally going right across this raging water. Like I said, we've had a lot of rain recently, and it is moving pretty good, the currents. By far the most beautiful train I've been on in a while. Alright, we made it across the bridge. Now we're in what they call the Raccoon Lagoon section. This wraps around, so when you go across, you're going across the same way, so it's not a different route. So we will only do the one way at this point. No sense waiting in line to go around again, because it basically takes you where you were. But this is a great way to basically jump right over to the Raccoon Lagoon section, which is where all the kids are.
If y'all choose to exit here, you'll be very close to the end of the Tiger's neighborhood and make the lead. All the Raccoon Lagoon kids rides, a bridge to the Soak Zone, as well as a bridge in the Old Idlewild. Now, for your safety, please remain seated and do not exit the train until I've told you that it's safe to do so. Again, please do not stand up until I let you know that it is safe. On behalf of the engineer and myself, thank you for riding Loyalhanna Limited. Enjoy the rest of your day. And so safe.
Alright, so that is the POV of the Loyalhanna Railroad. Hope you like it, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.